Okay. So I think we did all of this. Yeah, employee party budget. Let me see. Let me scroll down. Employee list. Budget, payroll, employee list. Let me see. Budget, payroll, employee list. Okay, we need to create one more, party budget. So I can. Anyway, so I can say touch, and then where am I? I am in the 2018. Okay, so let me see, PWD, where am I? And I need to create this inside of the documents work party budget. So let's see if we, okay, let's go back to our home directory. So I can do this actually. One way is cd ... and then again cd ... or cd tilde. Okay, if I say pwd, as you see now I am here inside of the my home directory, which is user directory. So here, if I say ls, I can see that documents is right here. So I can say make, and not make it, I'm sorry, touch, because I will create an empty file. Documents, what else? Documents work party budget txt. Work party budget txt. Okay, so let's see if it is created. How can I see this? How can I see party budget and all of those, all the other files? Any idea? I want to display the party budget and all the other files located in the same directory.
Would you go to touch documents? I mean, not touch. I mean, would you do ls documents / work?
Yes, exactly. Yes, very good. So this displays everything inside of the work directory. Yes, so we can see that party budget is also created. So let's move on. Let me go a little bit quicker because I need to complete this one. Okay, so we created this. So after we created, we may need to organize the files. That means we can copy file, move file another location, and rename the file name, delete file, and so on. So CP is to copy file. Move is, so copy is similar to copy paste in Windows. Move is cut and paste. Okay, cut and paste. And also you use the same thing for the renaming. Okay, and then remove, rm, to remove a file. So let's copy payroll and employee list files to our texts folder. Okay, and so we need to specify the path of the source and then destination. Okay, so here is the example. Currently, I am inside of my home directory, and then I say copy, and from my location, documents, work, payroll. Okay, I get this, not get, I copy and paste. Okay, so that means there will be duplicate, there will be two payroll file, and then I put that in the documents, taxes, and 2019. So let's do that. Work. Okay, so here I say copy CP, and then documents, work. What was that? Was it payroll, right? payroll. Okay, so this is the source file. Where am I putting it? Documents, I think it was taxes, and then where? 2019. Okay, 2019 folder. So I can put slash or not slash, really doesn't matter. But in Linux, you can also do that. You can say, copy this, paste it in 2019 folder, but name it as such and such .txt. Okay, so that means instead of copy pasting as a payroll.txt, I can also give a name. But if you don't give a name, it will use the original name. Okay, now I believe we copy it. So let's test it later. So now work, employee list, and also taxes. I can go press up. So the destination location is the same, but this one is, instead of payroll, what was that? Employee list. Employee list. Okay. So now enter. Okay, that's good. So we copy. Yeah, so you can use man page for the command if you don't remember how to use it. But so this is copy source and destination. But if you forget, you can use man for the CP, and then it will tell you the information. If we do a directory listing for work directory and the taxes directory, we will see the same file in both locations. So let's do that. If I say ls, what is this? So documents. Okay, documents, work. Okay, so in the document we have employee list, payroll, and if I look at documents and taxes and 2019, so I also see employee list and payroll in two locations. What else? Yeah, we can copy directory and all the files contained within. So perhaps we decided to keep taxes directory within our work directory. So to do this, we use -r. So that is recursively. So take everything starting from here all the way, children, grandchildren, all of those documents. Okay, so we do that. CP, and then this is option. Okay, -r is option, and then we have some parameters which are the inputs. So we take everything inside of the, so taxes and everything inside the taxes. Okay, so I am not saying that take everything inside of the taxes. I am saying get taxes directory and everything inside of it. Okay, inside of the work. So let's do that. Document taxes. Okay, CP -r, and then documents. So taxes. So get everything from here and then copy it to documents, work. Is that correct? Okay, that's right. Okay, so now if I look at the inside of the work, let's see if the taxes is there. So let's look at the documents. So ls, just documents. As you see, the taxes is still here. The taxes directory is still here. But if I want to see what is inside of the work, ls, documents and work. As you see, the taxes is also here. Okay, and then let's see if the taxes is empty or not. Okay, so everything is also here. So it took taxes directory, including all the files and documents, everything inside of it. Okay, so Okay, we looked at them. We also made a mistake earlier, and it says, I mean, probably this mistake was intentional, so to show that how you make some changes. So we added our party budget file to work. So we should move this to the correct location. So the correct location is party planning, right? So here we say, inside of the work, do we have party budget? Inside of the work, yes. So here, inside of the work, we have party budget. So we should take it from here. So we say move NV. Okay, take the party budget from work and put that in the party planning. Okay, documents work. Move documents work. So let me, okay, work and then party budget, and move that to documents, and then what was that? Party, yes, party planning. Okay, and then, okay, so we move that. And then let's look at the work. Inside of the work, normally, so let me show here. If you look at here, inside of the work, we had party budget. So now it should not be there anymore. ls documents work. Okay, so now the party budget txt is not here anymore. So if I say ls documents party planning, okay, party budget is right here. Okay, that's good. Okay, what else? And you can also move. So you can cut a file from, for example, there is a file. The file is, let me use apple and orange. Okay, so apple.txt is the file, and then the apple is inside of the location A. Okay, directory A. I can take apple txt from location A and move it to location B. When I do that, the apple goes to location B as apple. However, I can also do that. I can say take apple, so cut apple, like cut and paste, cut it, and then put it in the location B as banana. Okay, then you move and also rename. Okay, so you do two tasks at the same time. The other thing is, if you want to make apple banana, so if you want to rename it, but without changing the location, you use source location and target location the same, which is location A, but you just give different name. So then this will be renaming. So still to rename and move, you use the same command, move. Okay, so let's see this in an example. Let's rename payroll and employee list in here to specify the year in the name of the file. So we do this, we say the source is taxes 2019 payroll. And if you look at the target directory is the same, taxes 2019, taxes 2019. But we just changed the name of the file. So now we rename it. Okay, so let's do that. Work taxes 2019 payroll. Okay, so here, move documents work taxes 2019, and the destination is documents. I'm sorry, inside of the 2019 what was that? Payroll. Payroll. Okay, that's good. Document work. Taxes. Again, 2019, the same directory. But here, instead of payroll, what are we saying? Payroll 2019. Payroll underscore 2019.txt. Okay, now if I look at the ls, documents, work, taxes, 2019. Okay, as you see, payroll 2019 txt. So we renamed that successfully. And let's do the same thing for the employee list 2019. So let me do this. Move, or how about I go up and then employee list 2019, and then here instead of payroll txt, employee list. Okay, this should be it. All right. So if I say ls, then as you see, both of them has been renamed correctly. Okay, we have done that. What else? Sometimes you remove files from our system. So to do this, we use rm, okay, rm command. So it is important to note that when removing a file from command line, there is no recycle bin, okay? The file will be permanently removed. So we've decided on a location for Alice's birthday party. So we no longer need the list of possible locations. So party locations should be gone. So we just remove that. Documents, party planning. Okay, so here, RM, documents, party planning. If you don't remember the name of the file, I just press tab twice. Okay, so it shows what is party locations. Yes, and as you see, the command I typed is still here. I say party locations. Okay, it is gone. Okay, we deleted that. So let's check if it is actually gone. ls documents party planning. Okay, party budget here, party location is not there. Okay, so we remove that, and you should be careful because there is no recycle bin. It is permanently removed. And we can also remove directory with the same command. So remember, rm is usually to remove files. But if you use remove directory, the directory should be empty, okay? Otherwise, if the directory contains other files, we need to use two options. Recursive R, okay? Because this is the option you use with the -r, and also to use force. So we use force so that we are not prompted to verify. So it's not going to say, are you sure you want to remove? Are you sure you want to remove? So we don't want to answer maybe hundreds of times. We just use -r, -f, or you can just combine them. So because we copied Texas directory to work, so let's remove documents Texas. So here, rm, you can do this rf, r, okay, or you can combine them, rf like this. The order really doesn't matter, rf, fr, so, but you need to use both of them. And then documents, taxes, and everything is gone. Okay, so if I look at the ls documents, Yeah, Texas is not there anymore. What else? So we learned how to delete that and how to delete other one. Okay, so now links. Okay, so links are useful. There are two types of links: hard link and symbolic link. So it is called soft link. Hard links point to the physical location of a file on the hard disk, and it take on the properties of the file that they are linked to. Okay, so if the original file is removed, the hard link still works. Hard links generally used by operating system and applications, but that make them not as useful to users, but they cannot be linked to a directory or different storage device. So you can learn more about the hard links, but it is usually, as a user, we use symbolic links. Okay, so symbolic links act as a shortcut to files or directories. So we have that in the Windows also. You just create a shortcut to the original file. So using symbolic link make it easier to access and work with files or directories that have long file paths. Okay, so instead of typing a long path, you can create a symbolic link and then you can just use them. If the file or directory we are linking is removed, the link no longer works. Okay, so to create a link, we will use ln command. Okay, so to create symbolic link, we also must use s option. Okay, so the format for the command is to specify the target, that is the which file we want to which file that we are targeting. Okay, and then link name, so you give a name for the symbolic link. So here's an example. The file path for text files uh, is long. Okay, so we create, so because here we say home, user, documents, work, taxes 2019, and all of those. So instead we can use this one. We want to use this as a short path. Okay, so we say ln, and then because it's symbolic link, dash s, and then this one. So I'm not going to remember all of these, so I will keep looking. So documents, work, taxes. Okay, so ln dash s, documents, what was that? Work, I guess, taxes. Okay, yeah, sometimes I have good memory. It uses, so let's follow the instructions. It uses this one. It uses absolute path, so let's follow it. User, documents, okay. And as for the target, we will say home, user, documents 2019. Home, user, documents, and then inside of the documents we create a short link to this directory. So that is 2019. Was it like that? 2019 text. Okay, that's good. So here, when we use this one, actually it will point to this location. Okay, so if we do a long listing of the documents directory, we will see new symbolic link. So let's do that first. Okay, ls what? Okay, not ls. I am sorry. Nobody warned me. ln, not ls. ls is this. ls displays the content of directory. ln. Okay, so to create a link, and dash s is specified that this is a symbolic link. Okay, so we did that. Now let's look at ls-l, so long listing for the documents. Okay, as you see in the documents, we have work directory, party planning, and we have a shortcut, 2019 text, and it says this points to here, home, user, documents, work, taxes, 2019. And at the beginning, if you look at this one, we have D for this and this, okay, because these are directory. For the files, remember, it was just dash. L is for the link, okay? Yeah, so we looked at it. I need to speed up because I need to also explain the text editor. What else? We can use this one to work with the directory. We can do a directory listing of this by simply specifying the relative path. So if you want to see what is there inside of the documents, work, taxes 2019, you can simply say ls documents and then 2019 text. Okay, now it shows actually what is inside of here. Okay. Okay, so we learned that we can we can navigate our command prompt into different directories using change directory cd. Okay. Okay, so we covered this already. I showed how to use cd to change directory. And okay, I think we did that. What is the difference? Yeah, so the difference is you can just go inside of the documents and then you can use relative path. So because here we go inside of the documents and from the prompt, as you see in this picture, the first line in this picture, I cannot, okay, you see that documents, so it is not tilde anymore. That means we are inside of the documents. And let's move to our 2018 text directory and create employee list payroll for that year. Okay, so we say go to CD and taxes 2018, CD documents work taxes 2018. Okay, and you see that the name of the directory that I am currently in. So touch okay, but this is 2019. Is it on purpose, or are we renaming it later? No, we don't rename it, right? And yeah, I think this must be a mistake. So I will just say employee list 2018 because the directory is 18. Okay, so touch employee list 2018. Touch employee list 2018.txt. Okay, what else? Payroll 2018. Again, touch payroll 2018.txt. Okay, so we created them, and if we can just display that 2018. So let me say, I am not sure if LL will work. Let me just use relative path because I mean, actually LL, just LL. Yeah, because I am already inside of the 2018, and then we can see that. What else? And then we can go up one level, cd dot dot. So this will take me to parent directory, which is taxes. Okay. Yeah, so here you can say cd tilde, and it will take you to, okay, so it says texting of a long directory listing for the document. Make sure that, okay, so here we go to the documents. Here, actually, I can just use absolute path. So that is home, user, documents. Now I am inside of the documents, and I can either say LL, just LL, I guess. Yeah, let me see. Yes, just LL should work. If it doesn't work, I mean, it should in most cases, or LSL, both of them the same. So LL is an alias for the LSL, LSL, and then it also displays the documents. Actually, you can either do that, or is it asking you to go to the parent directory? Yeah, so if that is the case, if you are inside of your home directory, cd tilde, then you do this ls, and then you just do this and then take a screenshot. Now, let's move to the part 5. And do you have any question before we move to the part 5? Okay, so here, working with the text files, okay? So we will be working text files, logs, and so many things. And how do we read? So we learned that already, but so we have seen this. So you can use less command. So this will take you, you can read page by page. If there are a lot of content, you can do that. So for example, if I want to see, okay, yeah, so we will look at the, under the var log messages, okay? But this is the main system log file, so that has some information that what is happening. So it is good place to have a troubleshooting, for the troubleshooting, because this is located outside of our home directory, because our username is user, okay? And then this is not inside of the home and user, in different location, which means we need to elevate our privilege to as the user, super user. We use sudo, okay? We will learn the details of the sudo, but for now, just use sudo. If we don't do that, let's see what happens. Var log messages, okay? So here I say less, and then I want to see var log and messages. Okay, it says permission denied, okay? Now I want to elevate my permission by saying sudo, then less var log messages. Then it says be careful what you do and some preaching. Okay, I agree, and enter the password PA $$W0RD. Okay, and there are a lot of things. Okay, so I press space, go to the next line, and so on. And to quit, just press Q, and then you quit out of that less. What else? Okay, so you can do this, and then you say Q to get out. And the other thing is, let's say there are a lot of information, and you just want to see the first a few lines. You can say head. Okay, so here again, sudo, and then you don't say less, you say head, and then var, log messages. Okay, and then it shows the top 10 lines. Okay, I can also use an option like this, sudo head. After the head, I can say dash, I don't know, maybe 4. Okay, this will display the 4 lines instead of 10. 10 is default if you don't use any option, so it shows top 10. If you want to display the last 10, instead of head, tail. So this displays the last 10. So not surprisingly, if you want to display the last, I don't know, maybe 7 lines, -7. Okay, so that is head, tail, and we learned less. And what else? Yeah, if you would like to more than 10, then you use dash. Actually, not more. It could be more than or less than. So that means if you want to have different than 10 lines, then you use dash. The tail command also has a useful special function known as follow. This allows you to leave the output open and display new lines as they are created. Okay, so here you display the last lines, but the messages keeps populated because your operating system keeps running. So as something new comes, it will just keep added. So let's look at this one, tail F. Dash F. Okay, so we display that, and then if anything comes, this will be updated, but it's not being updated now. Okay, it says now go to File menu in the terminal application and select New Window. Okay. Okay, so here, no, File, Open Terminal. So we open another terminal. And then sudo systemctl restart network. Sudo systemctl, sudo systemctl, and then we restart network. Restart network. Okay, password. And if something happened here, see, it put activating service and a few things are added to here. And then let's do this, $, $RD. Okay, now a few things is happening here. Okay, and then Control C to stop the following file. Okay, so here just Control C to stop it. What else? Okay, another command used cat. So cat stands for concatenate, which means it displays the entire file at once. This isn't so. Yeah, so if the content is small, then you use cat. when you want to save the output to a text file using this one. Okay, yeah, so you can use cat. What else? I mean, for example, if there is some small content and you want to get that content from that file and then append inside of another file, then you can use append. Okay, so yeah. So now let's look at editing text files. So okay, there are several command line tools that allow you. One of the most popular and easy to use is VI, sometimes called Vim, but we will use VI. And so we will use a bash rc file. This is a configuration file for the bash shell. And each user has their own bash rc that they can customize. There is a universal bash configuration file that can be found at the etc bash rc. So enter the command this. So we say sudo, because this is a configuration file, we need to elevate our privilege. So that is our power, okay, what we can do. So we change the bash rc. So this is a hidden file, so it starts with the dot. By using this, okay, so user bash rc. So here, actually, let me just close this. Okay, and so here I say sudo vi is the text editor, and then where am I? First of all, let me go to my home directory, cd tilde. Okay, now sudo vi, what else? I forgot. What was that? Okay, because I am already in my home directory, I can just do this. Dot bash rc. Okay. All right. So now when you are here, there are so this is the content. I can see the content of this. If you are planning to change the content of a file, you should use vi. I mean, not you should. This is one of the easy to use text editor. But if you are not editing, if you just want to read, then you can use less command or head, tail, cat, one of these. But if you want to change, then we use vi. Currently, I am in the command option, command mode. There is command mode and insert mode. Currently, I cannot change this. So I need to go inside of the insert mode. So this is the what we see. At the bottom, we see the file path, okay, and also, so we won't be able to make any change. First, we need to go insert mode. To do that, you hit I on your keyboard, okay? So here, so let's say I am here, I press H, nothing happened. I press J, nothing happens, okay? Now I use I, so look at the lower left bottom corner. I use I, now it says insert. Now I can type anything here, okay? Now I can type, let me delete this. Okay, so what else? So move your cursor to the end of the line, user-specific aliases and functions, okay? Okay, all right, here. So let me come to the end, press enter, okay? And then hit enter. Now do this, alias or alias log equals sudo tail f var log messages, okay? So here, alias, and then what do we name it? Is it var? No, log sudo tail. Okay, so log equals, okay, and then quotations, double quotations, sudo tail, double quotations, sudo tail, and then f, okay, f var log messages, var log messages. Okay, and then so on the bottom left corner, I can still see insert. Now I need to go to the command mode, and then I want to save it and then quit. There are two things to quit. You save and quit, or you discard all the, you don't want to make any, you don't, actually you want to lose all the changes. So you say quit without changing, then that's different. So for now, let's save it. Okay, so we say escape. Okay, when I say escape, as you see, insert is gone. I don't see insert anymore. Then I say colon, right quit, WQ, right quit. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the content of it. So I say, let me say cat, and then okay, dash rc. Okay. Now because there is not a lot of content, so I just used cat, and then I can see at the last line whatever I have just done. Okay, what else? Okay, we did that. All right, and let's do other thing. So let's make some changes, and then we quit without saving it. Okay, so here I am inside of my home directory, and I say sudo vi, and then dot dash rc. Okay, and then password $. Okay, and then here let me type. So first I need to press I press I, so I am in the insert mode, and then I just type a few things which really doesn't matter, and then I don't want to save this. Okay, and then I say escape first. So look at the insert, it says at the bottom left corner, insert. I press escape. Now I am in the command mode, and then not write and quit. I say quit. I'm sorry. Yeah, the colon. Okay, colon. Quit Q, and then exclamation mark. All right. So colon Q exclamation mark. Okay. Now let me look at the content, cat and dash rc. Okay. And as you see, it is not here. After this, it is empty line. So I did not save it. And there are some other commands that can be used with the VI. Honestly, I don't remember all of them. There are so many things that you can do. But three things that you must know for now. I for the insert mode. Actually, it says uppercase, but I don't know if uppercase will work or not. But I use just lowercase I. And then shift colon. Actually, this is colon, but it just tells you that in order to put colon, you use shift. You press shift and then colon. Okay, and then right Q for the right quit, or Q exclamation mark for the quit without saving. and then enter log. Okay, so here enter log, and then it should display this. Then you take a screenshot. Here log. Okay, log comment. Why? Okay, why? Okay, what happens here? Okay, then.
Did you restart your terminal?
Okay, no. Yeah, let me close this. Okay, did I say that in here? This
Yeah, you did.
test. Really? Okay. All right. Yeah. So I did not. All right. So here, let me open the terminal. All right. And then if I say log and password, PA. All right. So yeah, thanks so much for letting me know. And then if anything happens, we will also see that. So this is still listening mode. So I just say Control C to quit. Okay, so and then you take a screenshot of this when you say log and make sure that your username is visible. So I know that it is you that you completed. And now create a web page. So here, this is actually a small exercise. So create development website images in the user directory. Okay. So now I am in the user directory already, pwd. Yes, I am in the user directory. So if I say ls, there is no development directory. So let me create, it was development, right? Yes, development, website images. So if I do this, development, website images, it doesn't work. So somebody asked me this question last lecture. So you must create development first and then website and then images. Okay. So let me say make this development. Okay, I create this and then make this and website. Okay, and then what else? Website images. Okay, images. Then also create a file called index.html in the website directory. So to make it easy, let me go inside of the development. Actually, also inside of the website. So if I say ls, there is only images directory. So here, what am I doing? Create file index.html. So here I will just use index, right? Okay. So here I can just use vi because I create this, and then the name of the file is index.html. Okay, and then go to the insert mode and then type. This page is created by your name. So H1 is just to show it larger. So this is a header. So even if you don't use it, still it will be displayed, but it is good to show that in larger. And this is like this, opening tag, closing tag. This page is created by, and then your name. Okay, And then in the next line, this image src, and then under construction. Image src, and then what? Images under construction. Okay. Images under construction dot jpeg. Okay, what else? JPEG, that's all. Okay, so to save and quit, escape first to go to the command prompt. Right, I'm sorry, colon, right quit. Okay, so if I say cat index, okay, I can see this. Okay, so which is good. So what should we do? Okay, open the Firefox in the Google under construction images. So here, let me just open the Firefox. Google, no, okay, google.com, and under construction image. Okay, so just select one of them. Really doesn't matter much. And so let me open view image. Okay, save image as. Let me okay, so it is downloads. That's fine. Save. Okay, so now let's go back to here. So where am I? Website. So let's look at ls, home, user, downloads. Okay, it is right here. So let's rename this. Okay, so I say rename. Okay, rename, and then where is it? Home, user. I am still waiting for someone to warn me, and downloads. So nobody is warning me. How do we rename? What is the command to rename? Is it RM? The answer is clear because I am asking. Probably it is not RM. What is it?
MV.
Yes, exactly, MV. RM is to delete, so MV. And so this is the downloads. I don't remember, so I double click under construction. Okay, so here, okay, so it completes that already. So this is the name of it, and I will put it in, where will I put it? I will put it not here. I don't need to rename it here. I can move it and rename. So that is home, user. Actually, I am already inside of the website, and I want to put that. So I am in the website directory. Inside of the website, go to the images. So from here, images, not images, I'm sorry. So if I do this, it doesn't work because when I put slash, it means absolute path, not slash. Like current directory, images, okay, that's good. Inside of the images, under construction.jpg. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. Let me explain it. So here, I am inside of the website directory. And from here, I move or cut and paste this file inside of the home, all of these, okay? So home, user, downloads, and under so this long name, okay? And then where am I putting it? Because I am inside of the website, my current location, and then images directory, and then under construction JPEG. So I moved it and renamed it at the same time. So I am in the website directory. Let me see what is inside of the images. Okay, under construction JPEG. Excellent. Okay, I moved it here. Now let's do this. Firefox development website. To do this, let me go back to home directory. And here, Firefox is the name of the application. And by using this, I pass a parameter. Parameter is development from where I am. And then, what is it? Website index HTML. Website index HTML. And tada. And then, okay. Yes, excellent. Now it says this page is created by Bilal Gonen, and then here is an image. Okay. So, and if you look at the address bar, it says this is a file, home, user, development, website, index HTML. All right. What else? And then you will take a screenshot and make sure that your username is visible somewhere. For example, this one is okay. And yeah, so make sure that your username is visible and also your full name is also visible. Okay, so we are done. Do you have any question to me? And I hope the submission instructions are clear. You have like this screenshot 1, screenshot 2, screenshot 3, and then you put them just below their title. And then, all right. So if there is no question, have a nice day then.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.